students. Today we learn about the chapter Framing the Constitution. Constitution, it means the book of rules and regulation on which our government will run. Our country got independent in 1947, but we have started to make our constitution in 1946. Before making constitution, some objectives were declared on which our constitution will best. On 13 December 1946, Jawaharlal Nehru declared objective resolution which have so many points which were in the favor of Indian people. The first point is their declaration of an independent republic. It means after making constitution, after adopting constitution, our country will complete independent republic. No other country can impose its will on us. It means our country will become sovereign. That is mentioned in our constitution. The second point is justice, equality and fraternity to all people. All people, either they are kids, young, old, different caste, different religion, different sex, all people will get equal justice, equality and equal opportunity in India. Next point, safeguard to minorities. In our India, different caste peoples are living. Many peoples are minorities. Minorities, it means they are lower in numbers. They will also get safeguard because the people who were less in numbers, they were thinking the constitution will think about only majority. But our constitution told that we will also think about backward classes, we will provide them so many opportunities to uplift. Fourth, combination of liberal ideas. It means our democracy will based on liberal ideas. It means the rules and regulation will not strict. They were loosened for the people. If any strict rules were there, they were in the favor of our nation. Next, Indian form of government. Our constitution will completely for India and based on Indian, not adopted from any constitution. The people were thinking that we have the rules and regulation of British because the British were ruling over our country last 200 years, but Nehru declared that we will adopted the good things from all nations constitution, but we have Indian form of government. It means the constitution will of India, not other nations. Most important thing, peace and human welfare. Our constitution will spread peace in India and in the whole world. And the last, human welfare. Our country will spread human welfare in India and in the whole world. These were the most important points which were made objectives before making the constitution. I think you have cleared the point.